After years and years of searching, I finally found the right keyboard switches for myself. This is the Vuko Studio Heavy Tactile switches, and I'm here to tell you how awesome they are. They are smooth and consistent, and the tactile bump doesn't feel overwhelming at all, despite the high actuation force. This video isn't sponsored, I bought the switches on my own, and I'm more than happy how good they feel and sound. You see, I have a weak spot for mechanical keyboards. I love how you can pack so much of your personality into a single tool that we use every day to interact with the whole world, to write things, edit videos and play video games. And by installing the switches, I'm finally finishing my 4-year journey of building my perfect setup. So this is the keyboard you're going to hear in my videos starting today. And the cherry on top, look at this, super key instead of a Windows button that every keyboard manufacturer is using as a default option. If you want to build this keyboard for yourself, the recipe is simple. Tampered barebones of GMMK Pro, Vuko Studio Heavy Tactile switches, TFT2i keycap set by Matt30, and that's basically it. This is how it sounds.